My name is Mtasno Tabata and I am a geologist. I work on Birthstone Trading PLC. Today we have many variety of gemstones. The uniquity for this gemstone, for Ethiopian gemstone, is that it can quarry for many years and it has many colors and good quality. That is the main character of Ethiopian good quality opals. It have a property of hydropane. It means that it can absorb water. When it absorbs water, it can turn into white, colorless. It becomes colorless. When it becomes to heat, it will become colorful again. This one is amber. Look at this. This one is amber, and its history is that it's a tree wax. Its origin is a tree wax that solidify within 1 million years, and sometimes it can hold flies, insects. When it holds like that, it have good quality and very expensive. That's the history of this amber gemstone. Rare gemstones are emerald, ruby, sapphire. They are the rarest one. They have good quality when they have purest, based on their color, clarity, and cut. They have a good price. That are the expensive ones. You cannot find this everywhere. Even it can bury. It can bury within a deep earth, so that you can quarry it using excavators and other machines.